Hello lovely kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today we are going to learn our small cursive letter of Q. Our sound is Q, qua. Okay? Q, qua, queen. Q, qua, queen. Q, qua, queen. Q, qua, quail. Q, qua, quail. It's a bird. Okay? नेक्स्ट क्यू क्वा क्वी क्वी यानी लाइन. आप सब लोग स्कूल में लाइन में आते हो ना. यस. क्यू क्वा क्वीन. क्यू क्वा क्विल्ट. क्यू क्वा क्विल्ट. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन. क्यू क्वा क्वाइट. मैम आपको बोलते हैं ना कीप क्वाइट इन अ क्लासरूम. यस. कीप क्वाइट. क्यू क्वा क्वाइट. Q qua quack. Q qua quack. Duck says quack quack. Yes. Q qua quick. Q qua quick यानी फटाफट फास्ट फास्ट. Q qua quail. Q qua quail. Okay kids? Okay kids. Now we will do one activity for letter Q. Okay? We will arrange these coins on our letter Q. Shall we start? Yes. Now take so many coins and arrange it on letter Q. Okay kids? Like this. मज़ा आता है ना ऐसे एक्टिविटी करने में. See? But you have to collect so many coins. Okay? Like this. I hope you will enjoy with this activity. So which letter we are doing today? Letter Q. Understand everyone? Which letter we are going to do today? Letter Q. See? You can see our letter Q with this coin. Which letter is this? Q. Which? Q. Okay? Do this activity at home. Okay kids. Now I will show you that how to write Q with a proper line concept in our book. See kids. It's a Q. Okay? First that you have to write like this slanting line. And do like this. And go straight line to the down red line and again slanting line. You have to trace on this Q first for 5 times. Okay? Like this. Go slanting line and then go down till the red line and then again slanting line. Okay? Now we will trace over here. See kids. Q qua quail. Okay? Q qua quail. You have to speak while you are writing. Q qua quail. Q qua quail. See. Q qua quail. Now we will write here without dotted. Okay? First write slanting line. Then do like this and go down till the red line and do slanting line again like this. Again. Q qua quail. Again. Q qua quail. Again. Q qua quail. So you have to write Q like this. Only with this writing pattern. Okay, understand everyone? So do practice at your home. Thank you. Bye-bye.